Welcome to Tech Leveler. I'm Lee, and in this super quick video I'm going to show you how to return an Amazon item, and this is an easy step-by-step guide. So first, from that Amazon homepage here, press your name in the top right hand corner. This will take you to your account. Then select your orders. Now come down to which you want to return. So let's say I want to return some of these supplements here. So I'll select return items here on the right hand side of it. Now you can select from different orders also. So everything what's able to be returned will be listed here. So I'll just select these supplements. You can select multiple items, but I'll just select these for now. And then you'll be given a choice to choose why you want to return it. You can put anything you want. So I'll just put no reason given. Then you can put some details here. This is optional. Then you want to press continue. Now you need to select where you want to refund the money to. Now it doesn't always allow you to refund to your Amazon account balance for some reason. So I'll select refund to your original payment method. And you can see it now says continue, so we'll press continue. Then we can select where we want to return it to. Again, I'm not sure, but sometimes some of the options aren't available and you want to find one what is. So you can see the post office isn't available, but the every drop off is. So if we select that, you can see on the right hand side we can now confirm your return. So let's select confirm return. So once we press confirm return, I actually don't want to return these supplements, so I won't press it. What will then happen is it'll take you to another page. So I'll go to another item that I've returned. So once you press confirm return, a code will be generated, a QR code where you take to your drop-off center where you need to show it to return your item. All the instructions will be in the email that you get sent and on the return page. So hopefully that helps you out how to return your Amazon items when you want to return them back to Amazon. If this video helped you out, don't forget, smash that like button, smash the subscribe, and thank you for watching.